to Prosperity Center. Prosperity Center. Actually, sa una, rin ako. Kaso, dugay na itong time. So, need na ko recap ako ngayon. Pero gitugloan ako sa tao na daw ni B6, tapos itagaan ko niya guide, yapag ng akong map para makita na ko yung direction kung asa na ko sa view. Dugay na kayo itong dari ko 1 year na goro or more than 1 year. No, more than 1 year, almost 2 years. So, nakalimot na ta. Asa taga-feel. So, okay na. Let's see and try. Actually, naman sa try kahit ganun natin. So, dedicate tayo yung B6 Prosperity Center. Here, B6. So next time when I go here, maybe I can watch this video. Actually guys, wala pa tayo pamahaw. So nice. Ang place ko. Get you there. Murag awan mo na saan. Or awan na ba yun ni Padulong? Nari ko sa Ngau-Tau Kok. Hong Kong. Nagit siguro ni akong kapalaran na sige lakaw. Actually sila sa diri hilig man og lakaw. Gawas og layo na yun kayong lugar, na sila magsakay. So mo sa matakdan. Mulikot na daring dakita kaya nahinumdum ko. Problema ni Pagloban. Like street bus station. So street on street is straight. Straight, layo-layo pa ta guys. Feel na po layo pa ta. Kaya naatoy makuha nun nga 7-Eleven. Sa akong memory. 7-Eleven. Oh, I saw it. I saw 7-Eleven. I am not wrong. So, I just recall my memory. Still, I remember. But this one is like 5 minutes from the MTR. It's like almost raining. Sa 7-Eleven tapos maliko taliha. Alimot doon sa pangaro. So I need to this one is LT Tower. We cross the street. Right? I need to cross the street. Right. Look right. Then go to the right, to the left. Going to the left, then I need to check which room. Room 803. Prosperity Tower, room 802. Not this one. something. I always say something. Oh. Millennium City. Millennium City. Maybe opposite. Ah, Prosperity Tower is here. Oh, I need to go out. To 8th floor. 8th floor. 8th floor, guys. So, we need to close. Why cannot close? I got mistake. We're here in the 8th floor. Okay guys, bye bye.